With it, group drop.
Hey guys, it's Josephine from ThePointeShop. I fitted a dancer named Smack. She had some dance training back in Australia and she moved to Hollywood to become an actress about 8 years ago. So it was really fun to see that angle. You immediately just fall in love with her, whether it's on camera or whether it's on TikTok or Instagram, whatever it is. She has such an amazing personality and so warm and kind and amazing feet.
My studio, I was kind of, I guess, the most flexible and technical. I was that one kid. It was a competition school, and it was fairly big, and we did a bunch of different classes, the typical dance studio. We also had a drama department, so we would do acting classes as well. But I realized very early on that comedy and slapstick and physical humor was something that I absolutely loved. The dance studio just really encouraged us to be idiots, basically. I was always making a fool of myself. Any chance I could get within the dance studio and the dance routines, I would be the one that's can I nominate myself to be Eugene from Greece instead of Sandy, please? So I was always playing the clown. I just bought pointe shoes on my own when I was about 13, and I would just muck around on them, just play on them. But we only had one ballet class, and it was just so dreadful. The teacher was just smoking outside. We would just play around doing cartwheels. No one taught us anything. I don't know any of the terminology. I'm just naturally flexible, so it helped. And that was about it. So that's my ballet experience.
The end.
And then I quit when I was 15. I left the studio world and just never looked at my pointe shoes again.
But even though she only had a little bit of experience, you can tell that she had a ballet background because her ankles were fantastic. You can take off your socks so I can actually see your feet, and then you're gonna bring your feet out straight out in front of you. Okay, and then point. Oh, that's lovely. Your right foot is so much more flexible than your left.
Yeah. And you know what? I'm cramping already because it's been a good year since I've done that.
Did you ever hurt the left ankle or anything?
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
I think, was it my left? I've probably done both. I've never had any serious injury, which is amazing. But I've definitely had the tendons and ligaments get a little bit messed up. When I was touring, I was doing more acrobatic work. So yeah, I think that was just the reason.
Are you a size 7-ish?
Yeah. Wow.
I've done this for a very long time. All I do is look at feet all day.
That's amazing.
Is your left foot a tiny bit bigger?
Probably.
Let's put this on. Did you have problems with your toes hurting?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's good.
So pretty, oh my god.
I know, aren't they pretty?
How does it feel? Really fun. I feel like I'm a dancer again.
Yes. Yeah, your left foot is bigger. See how it's baggier?
Oh yeah. Dang. Put on weight on my left foot.
I know, just the left one. Bring your right foot up on point. I might have to put on a smaller shoe. Okay, step up onto both feet. Is your toes pressing?
A little bit, but it's not at all. It's just my big toe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try a different shoe.
I'm just amazed. I just didn't know that there were so many.
Oh my god.
I'm how do they even look so different? I don't even realize. That feels nice. Should I take up ballet? Because this is really nice.
Step up onto both? Yes.
Yes.
You feel left on your big toe, right?
Yeah. Whoa. I do.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay, I want you to actually look in the mirror. Step up onto point. Look at how pretty your feet look.
Dang. Oh my god. I chose the wrong career, guys.
You totally did, but it's not too late.
Oh, these are so cushiony. All these people saying point hurts? No way.
No way.
I'm kidding.
Well, actually, it shouldn't hurt that bad.
Yeah.
They're just fitted incorrectly. Yeah, your left foot's definitely bigger.
Wow.
Look at that.
Gorgeous. And then can you cross over to fit Susu? And then let's take little steps, little bourrées.
That's
stunning.
Look at you, beautiful.
It's a turn. I don't know if you wanted that.
So you use
Yeah. When I was looking at her feet, even though she hasn't been on point for many years, I could tell that she has very flexible ankles. She had a lot of range of motion. Her right foot was definitely a little bit more flexible than her left. So that could have mean that she was always a little more flexible on her right. It could mean that she might have had an injury in the past on the left. That wasn't quite clear to me, but I decided to try a wider platform and a little bit stronger shank at the beginning. That one she had slight trouble getting over, so I decided to do a slightly more tapered box and a more pre-arched shoe, and she was able to get right up on that shoe. Her left foot is a little bit bigger than her right, so most of the shoes were fitting better on her left foot than than her right foot. She had very high pain tolerance, so it's very difficult for me to kind of figure out where her hot spots are on her feet when she wasn't feeling much pain. There are certain skin types and certain people that have higher pain tolerance than others. It's more difficult to prevent injuries for dancers that have a high pain tolerance because they don't know when they're injuring themselves. So if smack goes into ballet, that's something that she has to be careful. I wanted her to walk me through the process of what it's like to walk into an audition.
If we're talking like commercial castings, they are in and out, usually. You have to wait a while, but once you're in the room, it's like 2 or 3 minutes, then you're gone. Obviously, it's always case by case, but if there's a script, you just learn it on the day and you just say the lines and just take the direction, and then you leave, and then you either never hear back or you do hear back.
I asked her if it was difficult to get rejections because you kind of face rejection on a daily basis based on things that are not even your fault. It could be your hair color, it could be your height, it could be your look, whatever it might be. There are a lot of things that you have absolutely no control over.
I'm so glad that I've been doing something in the arts since I was a kid because I am used to rejection. So I never really take it too personally. If I go in there and even if it's a dance-based audition and I know I'm doing my best and I think I would suit the job, if I don't get it, I'm like, well, I don't know the reasons why and I can't take that personally because maybe they suddenly needed a boy or maybe I was too tall or too short. And I think just being on the other side of also creating stuff, I understand how quickly things can change. I've gotten a job before for a commercial and then after booking it got rejected because my hair color was too close to the product color. So I'm like, I can't go home and cry about that. Like I'm like not even related to that whole decision process. So I just have to, bite my tongue and move on. But yeah, dance has definitely helped me kind of just like not get too upset about it. And I think also dancers are really strong in terms of the next day they just keep going. Like I feel like we're too fast paced, we're too energetic and too movement based that we're like, we'll just keep going. We don't have time to like dwell on anything, we just pick our feet up, put our pointe shoes on, keep dancing.
Yeah. She describes herself as a dancer-actress who focuses on comedic movement. It's so fun to watch her because you can tell that she's having a really great time. It gives her a little bit more edge over other actresses because she's so well versed in movement and comedy and fun. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. That all helps us out. If you would like to support us, you can go on our website and get some of our merch. We have a discount code especially for you guys, for our YouTube followers. And if you would like a virtual fitting, I have that link on that description box. And then you can sign up for an appointment there. If you have any questions, leave that on the comments and I will see you guys later.
Hi and welcome to my jacket kit tutorial. Step 1, get a jacket. An oversized jacket. Oversized. Step 2, face the side. Make sure the sleeves are open. Now you want to grab the side of the waistlines. Pull it out like Step 3, your leg. Your foot needs to get caught in the jacket, so you gotta pull it tight. It's easy. Oh, ow, that hurt. Stick your stomach out and pull your foot back. The more arched, the better, so you gotta probably stretch. But you can practice it like anywhere, because practice makes it perfect. I did it too many times. So now your foot is stuck in the jacket. Let go, put your arms back, kick your leg out straight. The jacket should fling off in the direction that you kick. You gotta keep your arms straight and close together at the back. Yes. A powerful kick can really jar your knee if you do it wrong, but would also fling the jacket. Get rid of that shoe. It will also fling the jacket right off your foot, like so. Thank you for watching the Smack It Jacket Kick tutorial.